Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the testing job opportunities, the remote job opportunities, and the work from home job opportunities, the work from office job opportunities. So all these testing jobs will be shared with you. So please watch this video till the end of the, the content, because many jobs are there, many companies are there which are looking for remote jobs. So you can apply over there today itself. So I'll be sharing the links in the first comment of the video itself so that it becomes easy for you to apply. Okay. So the very first thing that I would like to tell you is that we are having a webinar, and it would be a free live webinar which we will be attending on 25th of July. So you can register for this webinar, and you will come to know how to get the jobs in 2026 using testing, using Playwright, using Agentic AI. So all of those things will be explained to you, and this is totally free of cost. You can register for this webinar. It's on weekend. It's on Saturday, 11 a.m. IST onwards, right? So please enroll for this webinar, and it would really help you a lot, right? So we are going to see the live practical session on the agents, and you will be amazed to see how the agents can work for you. And it will just take 5 to 7 minutes for an agent to create a script from the scratch, to use the page object model locators, to use the frameworks, let it be any of the framework, and it can also heal the script. Right? So all those things will be taught to you from the scratch. Okay. Now let me tell you about the testing job opportunities. So the very first job opportunity is for a role of a QA manager, where they are looking for somebody who can work remotely. So this is a remote job, and the link is also given. So I'll put all this link in the first comment of the video itself so that you can apply over there. They are looking for somebody who has got 8+ years of experience, and has got bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, and related field. Experience in the insurance or a similarly regulated complex industry would be a plus point. Deep understanding of software testing methodologies, tools, and processes. Hands-on familiarity with the testing tools for Cypress, Selenium, Puppeteer, JUnit, Cucumber, and how you can integrate them with CI. And it's 100% remote work. 15 days of annual leave would be there. Health insurance is there. Remote work allowance is there. Annual performance bonus. So all of these things are covered here in this job opportunity. Then there's a requirement for a remote job again. This with respect to the Latino Legends company. They're looking for a senior software QA engineer, and it's a full-time contract-based role, right? And they are looking for a senior software QA engineer who can work on the automation testing like Playwright, Selenium. See, these days you'll find Playwright in most of the job descriptions, right? Whichever company you're looking for a job, let it be a product-based company or a service-based company or a small-scale company, they are looking for Playwright these days. Okay, every company, they are looking for Playwright and Selenium both, or they are looking for Playwright/Selenium, or they are looking for Playwright plus Selenium. So many things are being looked upon from their perspective, right? And this particular job opportunity is looking for a QA engineer who has 4+ years of experience with emphasis on system level testing, integration testing, has done root cause analysis or debugging skills should be there, right? Demonstrated success in building automated testing frameworks and navigating to Postgres, SQL, or similar relational databases, right? So all of these things are required. So I'll share the link with you. Then there's a requirement for a senior QA engineer, manual as well as automation, somebody who has got 4 to 8 years of experience, ready to lead the quality. So this is a kind of a senior role where you have to work as an individual contributor, plus you also have to lead a team. You have to mentor the team. You have to make sure that the team members are progressing properly. So here they are looking for 4 to 8 years of experience. Okay, and these are all the links that you can apply. Okay. Then there's a requirement for a QA automation engineer. So X-Hire Tech is looking for a QA automation engineer to join the growing team. Location is Vapi, Gujarat. Work mode is work from office. Experience is 3 to 5 years, and you can apply here, right? Then there's a requirement for a QA lead role, and the location is Bangalore. Experience required is 7+ years. The key skills required are Playwright, test automation, test strategy, REST API testing, SDLC, SDLC, SQL and database testing, right? Then Jira, Azure DevOps, AI, LLM testing. See, these days, as I told you, in the job opportunities in the job description, you will see agentic AI, AI assisted testing, AI, LLM testing, Playwright, automation testing, API. So these things are very common these days. And in fact, you will also see some of the companies which are hiring dedicatedly for API automation, API testing roles only, right? So these are very common things. And the responsibilities that they are looking is for defining the QA strategy, test plans and automation roadmap, build and maintain Playwright automation frameworks, perform UI, API regression, integration, performance, and UAT testing, right? So you can share your updated resume to this email address itself, right? So these are the job opportunities wherein you can apply. Then there is a requirement for a performance test engineer role, which is with respect to Neoload. It's a leading MNC, and the location is again Bangalore hybrid, and they are looking for somebody who has got experience of two vacancies are there, 4 to 7 years and 10 to 15 years. So one is of mid-level experience role, one is of lead role, and they are looking for somebody who has got strong hands-on experience with Neoload and can do performance monitoring and analysis, test scripting and reporting, and has got excellent analytical and troubleshooting skills. So you can share your resume to this email address, right? So these are the job opportunities for testers. And last but not the least, I would also tell you about the webinar, which is a free webinar which is going to happen on this upcoming Saturday. So you can enroll for this webinar. It's totally free of cost, and you can book for this webinar. Plus, you can also join the WhatsApp community wherein we are going to share the bonus resources with you, the free resources with you that will be beneficial for you to get the job, that will be beneficial for you for the interview preparation. So many products which are related to interview preparation would be shared as a part of this program itself, and those would be complimentary. So apart from helping you, assisting you with Playwright and agents, we are also going to assist you with the interview preparation. So mock interviews would be there, interview preparation would be there. How many years of experience you have to showcase with respect to automation testing, all those things will be covered for you, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.